silver from the north of Spain. A locket bears the name and the brandy love. He came on a summer's day, bringing gifts far away, but made it clear that he couldn't stay. The harbor was his home, and the sailors say, Brandy, you're a fine girl, what a good wife you would be. But my life, my love, and my lady is a sea. Yeah, Brandy used to watch his eyes and he told the sailor story. She could feel the ocean fall rise, she saw his raging glory. But he had always told the truth, Lord, he was an honest man. And he does her best to understand. At night, when the bars close down, Brandy walks through a silent town. Loves a man